to Easy Nails. Today we're going to create a really fun and easy Christmas nail design. We're going to have a green sparkly acrylic Christmas nail design. So here I'm going in with this milky white color. My nails are prepped and primed. I have my tips on, you guys. I'm using a number 16 brush and NSI monomer, and I'm going in with this milky white color and then some of this silver glitter right on top of that wet acrylic. And then I'm doing the same thing here on my pinky finger, slowly building up that milky white color. And I believe this one is from Double Dip Nails, you guys. Use my code GLAMNAILS20 for 20% off your order. I will leave everything down below in the description box as always. And then I'm going in with this beautiful green. I think it's called Grinch Day or Grinch Green. It's also from Double Dip, you guys, doubledipstore.com. Highly recommend their acrylic powders. They can also be used as dip powders and they're super easy to work with. So I'm just applying this here on the ring finger. And it's a gorgeous green color, perfect for Christmas. I hope everybody is doing well and safe and enjoying the holiday season. I'm seeing some beautiful Christmas nails out there and I'm absolutely loving it. Let me know what you guys think about this set. I love green nails and green with white. I thought it was super beautiful. And then we added that lovely sparkle in there. And we are going to marble today, you guys. So what I did is I just picked up some of that milky white and some of that green, and then I just swirled them together with the tip of my brush, you guys can see there. And then what I also did is I picked up some gold chrome pigment and some of this glitter here from Design Angels. I will link everything down below for you guys, but this is super easy, you guys. Just pick up super small wet beads of your different colored acrylics, your chromes and your glitters, and just swirl it together with the tip of your brush. It gives you a perfect marble every time, and marble is a perfect design for beginners, super beginner friendly. So I'm just finishing up with that gorgeous marble nail, and then we are going to clear cap, you guys. I'm using Mia Secrets Clear, and I'm going to clear cap all these nails. Alright, you guys, I filed and buffed my nails off camera, and of course I'm going in with bling. Perfect time for bling all year round, but especially during Christmas time. So I am taking IBD Builder Gel, put on a nice glob of that on the nail, and then I'm going directly over that, not curing in between, with my IBD No White top coat. You guys, do this and your crystals will stay in place. They will not budge. It acts like a shrink wrap and it is a perfect way to apply small or big crystals. Absolutely love this method. I use it all the time. So it's just builder gel and then your no wipe top coat right on top of that. And then I'm just using these stones I got from Amazon, some tiny AV crystals, and then some teardrop and different shaped crystals. Here I have a green one there, and I'm just alternating. You guys know I love bling, so the more the better, and I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy this bling application. you guys, so I gave that a quick flash cure, and my lamp is still on here. Sorry you guys for the reflection, but this is the fun part where we see everything come to life. Beautiful Christmas green sparkle nail design, and you can see that marble is absolutely gorgeous. I adore it. Beautiful, beautiful marble. And we have our bling nail. These nails are perfect for Christmas, and I cured that, you guys. I'm gonna grab my cuticle oil. Oh, nope, never mind, you guys. I decided I wanted to add even more bling to these nails. So before I cured them, I just popped on these beautiful different shades of blue crystals right in the middle there. I gave that a flash cure, and then I went over them again. Again, this is the IBD No Wipe Top Coat, you guys. And I'm using this crystal picker upper from Amazon, as always. And I'm just placing these beautiful blue crystals all over the nail. Cured those, and there you go, you guys. Super easy, festive green marble sparkle holiday nails. I hope you guys enjoyed.